Hi friends, have you ever tried to install a Windows 11 image on your virtual machine, which could be a Windows hypervisor or whatever virtual machine platform you're using, and you encounter this error? In this video, we'll be looking at how to resolve that. So, let's dive in. So we see that this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement. Though my machine meets my physical machine meets the requirements, but my virtual machine doesn't. So to resolve that, you are going to go to settings. Under settings, you're going to navigate to security, secure boot checked, and then you must enable this, apply, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, so I'm going to restart that. Start. And yes, that's it. You can click next to begin the installation process. I don't keep anything, and that's it. Fast.